Peaceful, picturesque lake views from this CBS 2-bedroom, 2-bath home with 2-car garage at the lakes at Tradition. Very popular floor plan with split bedrooms, spacious living areas, and open kitchen. Tile throughout living areas and carpet in bedrooms. This home is a blank slate just awaiting your personal touch. The Lakes of Tradition offers a lap pool, recreational pool, tennis, pickleball, basketball, billiards, library, card room, gym, shuffleboard, bocce ball, and tot lot. This gated community is located in Tradition with shopping and restaurants, a hospital, and plenty of space to walk. This is a great place to call home.